Sylvester. Should we go on there and shake it? So the cat just made it 30 feet off the ground. Here I go.
And can he do it? It gets a little slick with the rain on the far end. It's plenty of...
So of course you've got a hobbit house on this property. Why not? I'm Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guy. This is my channel, Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guy, and it's all about showcasing how cool people live the aquascape lifestyle. Look at this. Are you kidding me? I'm the Pond Guy, Greg.
Hey, Bruce.
Hi, Bruce. So what was here before, Bruce?
There was a small waterfall feature.
So you literally just saw the wrap that Mark had on his truck?
Correct.
He followed the van.
I followed the van, figured it out, called him up, got him out here.
So when you got here, what was it like?
It was about a foot lower than you see now.
Uh-huh.
We marked the elevation on a tree. Bruce wanted the elevation raised a little bit. The original waterfall started about a foot lower than this and came into a pond about the size of the main section there, the main hole.
Was it a concrete or liner?
It was
or?
liner. Liner.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Leaking liner. Yeah.
Yeah.
You were on board, but... I was on board because the bigger, the better. Yeah. You're not hurting my feelings, right, as you can tell around here.
So what is the story with the tree houses, Bruce?
Well, that's just one of my projects from about 5 years ago. I got bored and I couldn't build on the house anymore. My wife made me sign a contract I wouldn't do that. I had to build somewhere. That's on Treehouse Masters.
Did he get on Treehouse Masters?
Oh yeah, it was last season.
Oh, we will put a link below to Treehouse Masters. So he came out there and did that, yeah. Pete.
Well, he come and looked at it. We built it. He built it.
Oh, so they evaluated it.
Yeah, it was on the world's greatest tree houses.
Well, I could see why. So this is the definition of an Airbnb.
Can I point out that the rails say words? These rails, there's words etched into the whole thing.
Well, that says hello right there if you look close.
Oh!
Isn't that cool?
Hello.
Wow. Looking back at the house. Let's see the inside of this.
So cool.
It's a beauty.
Oh yeah. Right when you enter. That is beautiful.
Check this tree out.
Oh yeah.
He's got a glass on the other side.
Oh yeah. You put the glass set up. That is real.
Bathroom, running water, toilet.
Oh, that is fantastic.
And there's the toilet.
Oh, coming up.
This is part of this.
Wow, it just got such good bones.
Yeah.
But I love this glass here. And that's what it looks like at night.
That's fab.
You can hear the waterfall from up here.
Oh yeah.
You literally are in the trees.
In the trees. Check out the back deck.
Okay.
That's just a Juliet deck.
Whoa. Here I go.
And can he do it?
It gets a little slick with the rain on the far end. It's plenty of...
Woo! We did it. It just keeps going. Faye. What a cool dude.
What's up, Bestie? Oh!
That cat is far up here. The cat's faster than me. So of course you've got a hobbit house on this property. Why not?
This is still in stages. This is beginning stage.
So this is being built for a wedding. Why not? It literally looks just like it does in New Zealand. Even that bent beam. Look at that.
Came off the property on a tree. We just had a tree that was going like that.
And boom, and
Cut
there's
it
your
down,
curve.
peeled it off, just like everything else we do around here. Concrete panels, road panels that they build out of concrete tap.
In case you're interested in building hobbit houses, here's how you do it. You know it's a cool person when he builds a hobbit house on his property. What is this?
Well, this is the outhouse.
Nice.
There's going to be a flushing toilet and stuff. We're going to have hot water.
Of course, why not?
This is the outdoor shower.
This is what we're going to want
And
to
the
build.
plumbing comes out of this, and the shower head's right here. So then, here's your outdoor shower.
That's cool.
Look at the exquisite landscape. And of course, the whole backyard living, from the hot tub to the bar area, to the magnificent treehouse, to the awesome water feature. You know, it never ever gets old because no two water features are alike, no two people are alike. Bruce is 1 in a billion, and no two places are alike. And for me to be able to see how people are living the aquascape lifestyle, what they do with their properties, it's just so awe-inspiring. MarkThePondGuy.com. All right, so we got a pond or a pondless on here.
This is the pondless.
Okay. Out with Mark, the pond guy, and we are touring some of your water features, right? And your beautiful wife, Cynthia. How long has this water feature been in here?
I think this one's 4 years.
Well, I can hear it. Front door, waterfalls. What an entrance.
My favorite part about this one is how there's several deep pools in the stream.
Uh-huh.
And there's not really a whole lot of elevation change. We just kind of did that within the rockwork.
Yeah, you probably have between there and the top of the waterfalls maybe 4 feet.
At the most, yeah. And the bridge was there. The bridge, we had to build under the bridge. So
that was tricky, yep, with the liner.
Bolted the liner with some metal strips.
Yep.
Bottom of the bridge.
Who designed this? Was it dad or was it son, or a combination of both?
Actually working with the contractor that built the house, and all he said is, we want something that starts here, and let's say it ends about right here. I'm like, okay. I gave them a price. They had no idea what we were going to do, and they just gave us the liberty. This was all gravel. We were able to dump our rocks right here, our excavator. So I was the numbers guy. That's what I've become. I do very little with the design as far as explaining it to the customer. In this case, there was no customer. It was another contractor. So he was just saying, here, we show up, Dan works the magic, brought in the big rocks, and just made it happen.
So for $50,000, they have all of this rock work, the filtration, the pumps, the plumbing, underwater lights?
Lighting, options.
So the whole kit and caboodle, and there is nothing for $50,000 that you could put in the entranceway to a home that would have as much of an impact as this water feature is.
Nothing.
You don't just have to have a backyard water feature to have a beautiful aquascape lifestyle. There's not a single person that's going to come into this yard that's not going to notice this water feature, and what a way to invite your guests to have a front yard water feature. This is what I love about this channel, is inspiring people to live the aquascape lifestyle. Think outside the box. This is a traditional neighborhood, a very nice neighborhood, but this is anything but a traditional home. I love my job.